Hi, good morning. I'm Kathleen Joseph. We're the owners of Trinibakes Limited. So Trinibakes Limited, we produce and sell specialty frozen bread and pastry dough. Our products are unique, they are nutrient dense, and really we have over the years developed a product that tastes great, as authentically Caribbean. We do frozen specialty dough such as beetroot and bhaji, pak choy, carrot and garlic, and pastry doughs. All these products are excellent for your health and more nutrient dense. So how did we find out about YES? YES came to us on another platform where we were working with entrepreneurs, and from the start it was a fantastic and amazing partnership. We thought about all kinds of pieces of equipment. We talked about dough rollers and dough sheeters and dough mixers, and really when you see the quality of the work they present, we really are impressed with the service, the efficiency, the background support. YES has it really well. When we started with YES, we were in desperate need of a freezer, a really good freezer, because we're doing frozen dough, and they were able to give us an excellent recommendation. Not only were they able to give us a recommendation for good quality products, they were willing to work with us and bring in products and have it organized for us. We got service receiving the products, bringing it, setting it up, and aftercare. When you talk about YES, that's what it means. Your everything supplier. Everything is supplied. Service is supplied. Good quality people is supplied. Recommendation is supplied. How to move the equipment better is supplied. How to keep the equipment working is supplied. And to date, we're still working with YES, and I recommend it to everybody. I don't try to buy equipment. I just go to YES.